the most skillful and noble archers came to the night tournament from all over the kingdom to demonstrate their skill. The best of them got a fitting reward.
They competed in precision? Oh, Sue, I want to do that too. Do you think we can do that?
Well, I don't know.
Please, you can make anything in the world from cardboard.
Fine. Maybe not exactly like that, but you'll like it, I'm sure. And it'll entertain our viewers. What do you say, guys? Do you like showing off your precision, especially for a prize?
Write in the comments, guys!
We'll start with a popsicle stick and measure 9 centimeters with the help of a ruler. Now, I'll cut off the excess. Watch your fingers, guys, and you better ask an adult to help you. We'll need 2 longer sticks and one a bit shorter. Now we can glue them. Hey, Sam, would you be so kind?
Yes, I've got everything ready. Here!
Why, thank you. Let's apply the glue carefully and place it on the other stick carefully. Let's even it out a bit. The short stick should be in the middle, and there should be an empty space in here. Sam, bring me the file, please.
Huh? Oh, yes, I've got that ready as well. Here, milady.
Thank you, my lord. Let's make a notch here. This is where the bowstring made of rubber band will be. Yes, this is exactly what we need. Our bowstring should hold really well.
Accidental shots are very dangerous, guys.
Well, not as dangerous in our case, but you're right. We'd better avoid them. You should definitely ask an adult to help you with this step. We need a small, neat hole. Hey, Sam, could you give me one more stick?
Just a moment.
Great! Let's draw our next piece. Follow the measurements closely, guys. The pieces should fit perfectly. Now, let's cut it out carefully. Don't do this without adult supervision. And done! I've made a small opening here. You'll see what it's for in just a moment. Now I need to assemble the mechanism. We'll take a mini nail out of a paperclip piece and bend it.
Nails are actually hammered in, not inserted into openings made in advance.
Really? I had no idea you were an expert carpenter. What are these things called?
Actually, I have no idea.
Let's apply some glue here. Don't rush it. It'll be the base for our crossbow. Great. And this is where the rubber band goes. It's very delicate work. Be very careful and don't overdo it. These are our openings. Let's glue the piece to the base. Now it looks like a real crossbow, right, guys?
Targets beware!
Let's close it on top to make it safer and prettier and add a bit of glue.
Oh, what a beauty! May I hold it?
Sure, Sammy. The crossbow is done.
I feel like a royal archer!
You look like one. Now let's continue. We also need some targets.
Let's test it!
Sure. Here, be careful.
Yes, guys, don't aim it at yourself or other people. Shoot only at the targets.
Awesome! Let's move on to the targets, guys. It's very important to go slowly here while you're working with a knife. We've got lots of time and only 10 fingers. Now let's press the rectangles out. We won't need them. Let's make 5 holes for future targets. You can actually make more. It all depends on you guys. Hey, Sam, could you please bring me a skewer?
Here you go, Sue.
Thanks. Right. I need to cut pieces about 1 centimeter long. We'll hang our targets on them. And I'll add a bit of glue to make it secure. We'll glue these pieces on 2 sides. Once again, try to follow the measurements exactly. Here, the sides are done. Perfect. We need to glue the bottom slightly sideways. Hot glue will work best here. This is where the shot-down targets will go. A back exit into the box with targets. Let's cut it out. If you want to cut it out yourselves, remember my rule about fingers and don't hurry. We get this kind of a door. Let's assemble it now. Use as much glue as you need and be very careful.
Wow, Sue, this looks like something.
I hope it looks like a future shooting range. A handle for convenience. And the finishing touch for our box, a lid.
To keep the rain out.
If you say so, Sammy. Which one should we use, Sam?
Let's take the bigger one, Sue. I need a challenge.
Well, all right, you asked for it. Voila! The shooting range is almost done. Where's our crossbow?
Here!
Let's work on it a bit more. We'll glue this piece to the bottom, here. Sam, please bring me another skewer. It should match the width of the range.
Just a moment.
And our crossbow will also need legs, guys.
Sue, it's done! I hope I got the length right.
Thank you, Sam. You've got a great eye. I think you'll make a wonderful archer.
You think so? Thank you.
I've inserted the stick into the opening. Now let's fix the legs, like this. And attach it all to the base. Now our crossbow is firm on its legs.
Awesome! I'm ready to win!
Wait, Mr. Archer. There aren't any targets yet. Are you ready to fight the dragon, brave Sammy?
Whoa! I mean, of course I am. For honor.
That's more like it. Guys, how would you decorate the box for targets? Write in the comments. Here are our targets. Let's write numbers here to mark the prizes.
Did you say prizes? Tell me more, Sue.
You'll know in a bit, Sammy. You decide, guys, how you hang the teeth. Numbers facing forward or backwards. We'll make a challenge with surprises. Well, for Sam at least. I know where everything is. We only need to make prize signs with numbers.
I've got everything ready.
Sam, that's great. Then we can start. The archer that hits number 4 gets a small candy.
I hope I'll win at least that.
Tasty cookies for number 3, but there are only 3 of them. A whole chest of sweet treats for number 2.
Maybe I'll get lucky.
And the one who hits X gets nothing.
Hey, that's not fair. I didn't know that you could win nothing.
Sorry, Sammy, these are the rules.
Oh, please, not that one.
And the last one is an intact jar of Nutella. Let the tournament begin!
Wow!
Let's draw lots for the right to shoot first. Oh, I'm sorry, Sammy, but you'll be the second one to shoot.
Well, good luck, Sue.
Sorry, Sam, but Nutella is mine. Right number 1 is right there. How? What?
It's okay, Sue. Better luck next time. Okay, let's give it a try. Ready? Fire! Yay! Cookies!
Come on. Hey, it's not that easy.
Press lightly and breathe evenly, Sue. Don't hurry. Ha! Master Archer aims his crossbow again and hit! Yes! Oh, wow! It's a whole chest of candies!
I'll try again and... Oh, this can't be!
Wind correction. Oh, wait, there's no wind here. Okay, fine. Push gently as I breathe out. Oh, wow! Did I hit it? I can't believe it!
You know, Sam, you're a really good archer. I cheated a bit because I knew where each number was, but you were the best. I think this candy is yours too.
Aw, Sue, come on. If it hadn't been for you, we wouldn't have this cool shooting range. I think we should divide the prizes.
Sam, are you sure?
I'm sure of it. It'll be very chivalrous.
You're a real knight, Sam. You aren't angry with my cheating?
We all cheat sometimes, right?
Right. Guys, I hope you liked our shooting range and will hold your own glorious tournaments.
Write your comments, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And more importantly, be nice. See you soon!